if you're a new user to NextGen, you're going to have to click here and get yourself registered in our websites so we can grant you permission to get into these other rooms. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here, and it's going to take you into tech support. And from tech support, you're going to click create ticket. And then once you have the ticket created, you actually have to click on the ticket. So down here at the bottom, you can do it over here as well. And then once you click on the ticket, you can say, hi, my name is John Novak. My email is nine four one 312. All right, so once you put this in, then Jason and tech support or one of us will grab you and we will set your permissions and your roles so you can be a student while you're a student, and then if you lease or you buy a lifetime of software, we can set your permission this way. Once you're a student, that will grant you access into the different rooms. So what I'm going to do